Biggest advancement has been, at least in the last decade, is improved additional therapies for relapsing remitting disease and the start of treatment of progressive disease. So I say, at least in the past 10 years, those are the two most important. Moving forward will be getting a better handle on progressive disease and repair. The approval of ocrelizumab for primary progressive MS was a sentinel event because it was our first approved therapy for primary progressive disease. We don't yet have a complete understanding of who might be the best individuals to treat with that. The effect was very modest. It looked like maybe if you were younger, you did better. If you had any activity, maybe you did better, but the data are not there yet to really answer that question. So as we move forward, we're learning how best to use it. And hopefully, additional clinical trials of similar agents will give us additional information. Availability, it depends on how good or how bad someone's health and drug coverage is. That's a constant source of annoyance. There is a pipeline looking at progressive MS now. The most successful at the moment was a phase 3 trial of a drug called siponimod, which is the next generation of fingolimod. It's what's called an S1P1 modulator. Had a modest effect, but it's going to be reviewed by the FDA, and we'll look to see what happens with that. Other agents are farther along, but hopefully are coming. Treatment strategies for relapsing MS in the pipeline are pretty similar to what we already have. Some molecular differences, potentially some different mechanisms of action, perhaps working more on the innate immune system than the adaptive immune system, but more similar than dissimilar.